Dear 6th class, today I will explain some important basic concepts of chapter 5. So our first exercise is exercise 5a. The question is write an algebraic expression for each of the following. Part E. Add 2x to 14. Now here we have two terms, 2x and 14. Add means you have to add these two terms. So it will become 2x plus 14. Then part B, subtract 15 from 5a. So here you have to subtract 15 from 5a. It means you will write first 5a here and secondly you will write 15 here. So you are subtracting 15 from 5a. It means 5a is the bigger number and 15 is the smaller number, and you have to subtract 15 from 5a. In this way you can easily understand this question. So part C, multiply 4 by 2k. It's very simple. You have to multiply 4 with 2k. So here you will use the multiplication sign. 4 multiplied by 2k, which is equals to 8k. But here 5a minus 15, you can't subtract 15 from 5a because here this term involves variable and this term is without variable. Here a is the variable, here we don't have any variable. So you can't subtract 15 from 5a because some of the girls, they subtract these two numbers. This is totally wrong. Similarly here 2x plus 14, we can't add 14 into 2x because here in the first term we have variable involving term and the second term is without the variable, so you can't add 2x into 14, so you will leave as it is. This is your expression, algebraic expression. Now the last part D, divide 8x by 24. So in case of division you can use this sign of division, 8x divided by 24, which is equals to 8x over 24. You can write in this way. Fraction means division. So you can write 8x over 24. Here you can divide 8 by 24. 8 1s are 8 and 8 3s are 24. So your simplest answer is x over 3. Now part E, add 2x to twice 3y. Now here again we have to add two terms, 2x into 2 times 3y. So you can write in this way, 2x plus 2 times 3y. Twice means 2 times. So twice is with 3y, so you will multiply 2 with 3y. And then you have to add both terms. Then after simplification it will become 2x plus 6y. And then the next part F, subtract 5x from half of y. Half of y means y over 2. For example, 4. What is the half of 4? Half of 4 is 4 over 2, which is equals to 2. Now half of 6, you will divide 6 divided by 2. So you will write 6 over 2. Similarly here, our number is y. So half of y equals to y over 2. And we have to subtract 5x from half of y. So it means you will write y over 2 minus 5x. So these are some important basic concepts of the algebraic expressions. The same rules you can apply everywhere and you can easily solve this whole exercise. And then our next exercise is exercise 5b, where this exercise is about substitution. different values will be given in the question, and you will put these values in the given expression, and then you will find the value of that given expression. For example, in question number 1, evaluate. Different values are given here: a equals to 2, b minus 3, c 4, d minus 1, and e 0. And our expression is, here again I'm explaining only some important basic questions. For example, I equals to a into 2b plus 3c. So this whole expression equals to I, and you have to find the value of I. So you will put the different values here, or you can substitute the values. Now a equals to 2, so after putting the values, a equals to 2 as it is. The value of b is minus 3. It is better if you are writing this value inside the bracket. Okay, then next, plus 3, and the value of c is 4. Again, I'm writing this value inside the bracket. Now, in the next step, first of all, you have to simplify this bracket portion. So, inside the bracket, we have 2 multiply minus 3, because this bracket means we have to multiply this positive number with this negative number. So 2 multiply with this negative number minus 3, it will become minus 6, and plus as it is, and 3 4s are 12. Now first of all, you have to simplify bracket portion again. 12 minus 6, which is equals to 6, because according to rules of algebra, we have two opposite signs, so you will subtract, and all the time your sign will be of greater number. So plus 12 minus 6 equals to plus 6, and you can write simply 6 also. So 6 into 2 equals to 12. So you can also write in this way: 2 multiplied by 6 equals to 12. Most of the girls, they do this mistake that before simplifying this bracket portion, they multiply 2 with minus 6, and then they multiply 2 with 12. This is also correct, but you can do mistake in this way. That's why it is better if you are simplifying this portion. So after simplification, then you will multiply your answer with 2. Now, the next expression is t equals to 2a square minus 3b square plus 2. Again, you will put the values. 2, the value of a is 2. So 2 square minus 3, the value of b is minus 3 square plus 2 as it is. Now, first of all, you have to solve these square numbers. So 2 square means 2 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 4. Now minus 3 square means minus 3 into minus 3, which is equals to plus 9 here, and plus 2 as it is. So in the next step, simply you have to multiply these numbers. 2 multiplied by 4 equals to 8, because this bracket means you have to multiply. And again, 3 multiplied by plus 9 equals to 27. You can write plus 9 also, and suppose if I am not writing plus 9, this is also correct. So 3 9s are 27, and then plus 2. Now in the next step, 8 minus 27. You can subtract these numbers also. Otherwise, here I have added these two numbers first. Minus 27 plus 2, it is equals to minus 25. And then in the next step, 8 minus 25 equals to minus 17, sorry. So You can subtract these numbers also, 8 minus 27 first, and then after finding the answer, then you will add plus 2. That is also correct. So I think with the help of these few questions, you can easily solve the other questions also. So best of luck. Thanks for watching the video.